When you arrive at a website, what grabs your attention right away? Often it's the very top of the page, right? It's the banner area, or some people call this a hero area, where there's a beautiful edge to edge picture or edge to edge slideshow with text overlay and a headline and some other text, maybe, and a button that calls you to action, that tells you to sign up now or to learn more or to buy something now, right? Well, these look very simple to put together, but the best ones, the very effective ones that keep people on pages, are often the result of a lot of thought and planning and a good deal of understanding who the ideal customer is and how to tell them to take action. Hi, I'm Mari Pfeiffer. I'm a writer and website designer, and I help coaches and consultants attract the people they most want to do business with and convert them into loyal customers. So I'm going to go over a very basic tutorial to show you how to put these things together, how to put these beautiful banners together with effective copy and a great call to action that will get people hooked when they first arrive at your website and then turn them into loyal customers. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to start with a really good picture. Ideally, you want to have a professional photographer come to your premises, come to your office, or wherever it is you do your business and take some really good pictures. If you can't get that, then the next best thing, of course, is to use stock photos. And in this case, in this example, I'm going to be using this stock photo. I found it on Adobe Stock Photos. Now let's imagine that you run a spinning gym, a boutique indoor cycling gym. That's all that you offer. You don't have any other classes or any other fitness programs. They're just spinning. You want to get a really good picture of classes in session so that you have people in the pictures. If they don't want to show their faces, that's fine, but you give people some kind of indication or idea of what it's like to come to your gym. Ideally, a picture like this should have the instructor in it. This one doesn't, but I'm just saying that I think that if you had an instructor in this picture, it would be even stronger. In any case, you want a really good picture. And then on top of that, you want to add a color overlay. And the reason is that if you're going to be putting text on top of a picture, more often than not, the picture is probably too bright, or it doesn't have an area where you can really put text on it comfortably, logically, and where it can stand out so that it's easy to read. So in this case, I put a color fill on top of it, and I've set the opacity to something like 30% or 35%, I think. But play around with that until it really works for you. The next thing you want to do is you want to put some kind of an aspirational statement in this picture, because people are coming to you for some reason. They want to get in shape, they want to lose weight, they want to feel good about themselves. And if you can't think of anything like that, then maybe it's a good idea to also state some kind of result that they're going to get when they come to your gym. But in any case, I think that a really good aspirational or result stating statement is a good idea to put in here. So let's take a look at what we've got here, which is get stronger, lose weight, have fun too. And look, anyone who comes to a spinning gym is going to be working out pretty hard. They're going to be, well, I won't say they're going to be suffering, but it's not the most comfortable experience. You know, you're really going to be raising your heart rate, sweating a lot, pushing yourself for up to an hour, maybe longer. So you want to have fun. We all know that getting stronger and losing weight are not things that come that easily. Consistency is the key. Going to a good gym and enjoying the classes are really important. So this is why I wrote this statement right here this way for this particular example. Now, the next thing that you'll want to state is that you'll want to have in there is some kind of call to action, some kind of encouragement to get people not only to the gym, but to get them to sign up. So right here, right below this main statement, you can say, get started today, take unlimited classes for 2 weeks for only $59. So you're giving people an idea of the price point, but you're also giving them a chance to try you out, which I think is a great idea. The next thing that you'll want to do is add some kind of very specific call to action. So you'll want to add maybe a button right below that where you state enroll now. So instead of saying look at our schedule or learn more, you're really being very specific about what you want your people, your visitors to do when they come to the website. All right. So here you've got the aspirational statement. Here you've got the beginning of the call to action. And here you're really telling people go ahead, enroll now. Okay. And then the final thing you can do, you don't have to, it's a bit optional, but you can state a little bit about who you are, what you do and where you are. So you could say we're Seattle's best indoor cycling gym. This is completely optional. But what this does altogether is it kind of puts your core message right there at the very top of your page in a very colorful, attractive, and very convincing manner, because you're talking first about who you are. Then you really speak directly to your customers' desires, about their aspirations, about their goals. And then you get them started on the process of signing up with you. And so you can do this for a number of businesses, whether you're a financial advisor or a life coach or another kind of sports coach or wellness center. This is pretty much what you want to put in that big hero area. So let's go ahead and take a look at it live. I've just put a mock site up together, and ooh, there you go. All right, so just imagine that this is on the home page of your website. This is really nice and big. It's got all of that information in there and a nice big call to action button there. It's kind of irresistible, I think. All right, so always think about what your people are going after, what's in it for them, and then give it to them right there. Tell them what they're going to get and then how they can get started. This is a great way to get people not only to get attracted to your site, but really to get them to stay on there and scroll down the page, find out more about you, and then to click that button and get started with you. All right, well, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications bell to find out when my newest video has been uploaded to YouTube. And thanks as always for being here. I appreciate it. I will talk to you soon again in my next video.